Let's melt away the stress from the day. Open our hips and allow our bodies to rest. My name is Michelle, and thank you for joining me for Yoga Bliss. Let's begin in our easy seat. We'll take 3 deep breaths, connecting mind to that body. So maybe closing the eyes or finding that soft gaze. Filling the body with the breath. Inhale and exhale. Deep in breath. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Gently blinking the eyes open if they've been closed. Find that focal point ahead of you. And we can release and come out of our easy seat. Let's make our way into a supported butterfly. So bringing those feet flat, gently making your way down to the back. If you want to take that block in between the shoulder blades, and then also maybe finding support for that head. Other option is you can take it completely flat without blocks to the mat. So begin to release. Then also option here, if you want to keep the feet flat, you can stay here. Otherwise, bringing the soles of the feet together, dropping those knees. Relaxing those arms by your side, settling into the back side of the body. Deep in breath, expansion through the chest, through the ribs. And exhale. And again, inhale. Exhale, allowing yourself to settle into that back side of the body. One more together here. Inhale. And exhale. And allowing yourself to settle into stillness. Deep in breath. And to exhale, maybe taking those hands, sending the feet flat, letting those knees point to the sky. Gently release the blocks beneath you. Finding some gentle sways here. And making your way to your side of choice, take that pause. And gently make your way up. So next we'll come into our forward folds. Maybe propping those hips up with a bolster or pillow. Extending those legs ahead of you. Find that length in the spine. Inhale. Exhale, gently release that head towards the knees. You can find roundness in the back here. Allowing that chin to drop towards the chest. Allowing the body to feel heavy. Let's breathe together here. Inhale. And exhale, releasing through that front of the body. Option for a deeper stretch, maybe reaching for those toes. And most importantly, listening to your body. Deep in breath. And to exhale, gently rolling out. Give the legs a little bit of a shake. For our next pose, we'll come into deer pose. So begin to release that left foot behind you, bringing that right foot towards that left thigh. Maybe releasing blocks ahead of you or bolster or pillow. And find that length in the spine. Inhale. And to exhale, begin to release forward. So settling into those hips. You can always place a blanket under those hips to help assist you. And sometimes the tendency is to hold in those hips, so just allowing ourselves to drop into those hips, to settle deeply into those hips. Let's breathe together here. Inhale and exhale. And again, inhale, exhale, and one more. Inhale and exhale. It's like gravity, take the body. Just noticing what you're feeling through those hips. We don't have to judge it. Just being mindful of the sensations and what you're feeling. Deep in breath. Exhale, gently roll up. Just slowly beginning to release those legs forward. Give them a little bit of a shake here. And then when you feel ready, releasing that right foot behind. Bringing that left foot into that right thigh. Maybe sending those blocks ahead of you. Find that length in the spine. Inhale. Exhale, begin to release forward. And let's breathe together here. Inhale. Exhale, settling into those legs, into those hips. And again. Inhale. Exhale, using that breath as our anchor. And one more here. Inhale. And exhale, releasing. Deep in breath. Exhale gently, rolling up, slowly releasing those legs, giving them a little bit of a shake. Coming flat onto those feet, we'll make our way to our backs. Let's find a supine pigeon here. So bringing that right foot, crossing it above the left knee. Maybe you stay here or begin to release right hand through the legs, taking hold of the back of that left leg and then pulling that knee towards your chest. Let's breathe together here. Inhale. Exhale, settling into that back side of the body. Inhale. Exhale, softening throughout the body. And one more together. Inhale. Exhale, relaxing the back of that neck. Again, when the mind wanders, keep bringing that mind back to the body, back to that breath. In breath. Exhale, releasing the hand, releasing those feet. Let's just find some gentle sways here, side to side. And then we'll find that stretch on the other side. And gently back to center. Release that left heel above the right knee. Maybe staying here or beginning to release that knee towards heart center, sending that left arm through. Relaxing that neck, relaxing the jaw, tongue, and facial muscles. Inhale and exhale. Fill the body with the breath. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale, allowing that breath to wash over the body. Gently releasing the hands, releasing those feet, finding some gentle sways here side to side. And gently back through center. Let's bring those knees towards heart center, maybe head towards the knees. Inhale, exhale, release the head, release those legs, find your version of Shavasana.
Simply because you're alive, you have a chance to find the calmness, lightness, and inner peace you seek. Every breath is a quiet invitation to return to yourself. From the Daily Buddhist.
Deep in breath. And to exhale, gently begin to find movement in hands and feet, fingers and toes. Blinking those eyes open. When you feel ready, bringing the feet flat, finding some gentle sways. And making your way to your side of choice. Take that moment of pause. And gently make your way up into your version of easy seat. Inhale, sending the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Notice the calm you've created within both body and mind, and take that with you through this evening. Grateful to our bodies for allowing us to practice today. I'm grateful to share this practice with you. The light within me acknowledges the light within you. Thank you for practicing with me today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and or comment below. I would love to connect with you. Follow me for more flows like this. Have a beautiful evening.